A Missoula ambulance service says an emergency drug shortage this past summer is getting better, but now the price of some of those medications is going up.
Irina Cates reports on how this affects Missoula emergency services and if it affects patients.
This summer, Missoula Emergency Services struggle to find some emergency medications they use on diabetic and cardiac patients. Now the ambulance service says the medication is easier to get, but the price is often 4 or more times higher than what it used to be.
Example is epinephrine used to be around $3. We now pay just right at $10 for the same medication. Glucagon's the same way. Glucagon's kind of on a shortage now, and it's well over $100 for one dose of it.
That's kind of a bit of sticker shock that not only do we really need this and we haven't been able to get it, when it's finally available again, we're relieved and it's something that we want, and then you realize that instead of maybe $4 a unit, it's up to $12 and $15 and more.
The drug shortage is a result of new regulations the FDA imposed on drug manufacturers. Instead of following the new requirements, some companies decided to stop making some of the emergency meds, causing a nationwide shortage.
I would go looking for other sources where we could get the same medication, maybe in another form. Instead of in a syringe, we could get it in a vial.
The price hikes of some of these medications do have some effect on the ambulance service, but Wayland says it will not affect the cost of service to patients.
You can't bill for medications, you can't bill for supplies. So for the most part, you just have to absorb the cost in your base rate.
Wayland hopes the prices of these meds become more stable, but says it's hard to say what will happen with the manufacturing process that's causing the shortages and the price hikes. In Missoula, Irina Cates for Montana's news station.
Still ahead, we're going to show you a new way to stay up to date with the news.